So let's say you put on an extra 5 pounds over the holidays. Maybe you already had 5 pounds to lose before that. And now you're desperately searching for how you can lose this weight in 10 days or less. And I'm here to tell you that you can't. That the way to do it, the way to get on track is to find a reasonable diet and a reasonable exercise routine. You know, all the stuff that you should have been doing anyway. But there are things that you can do that can kind of enhance those things, specifically your exercise routine. And that's what I'm talking about today. Hey guys, I'm Phaedra from All Things Phaedra, and if you are here, it's because you are interested in the benefits, the uses of a vibrating platform or a vibration plate. Obviously, that is what I am sitting on right now, and there are a lot of benefits to using something like this. Things that can enhance your overall body health, things that can help with muscle recovery, and things that can actually help with your exercise routine. So, I'm here to talk specifically about this one. This is the Feierdun Vibration Plate, and there is a lot to talk about. I'm going to tell you about the plate, I'm going to tell you about how to use it, and then let's talk about the benefits of it. But first, a word of caution. Now, it may just look like a piece of exercise equipment, which it is. In fact, Feierdun has been making personal exercise equipment since 1993, so they've been around a while. But a vibration plate can actually do things to your body. You want it to, but there are some safety precautions. And just for the sake of being safe, I'm going to read exactly what those are. If you have joint problems, hypertension, bronchitis, heart conditions, skin disease, diabetes, are pregnant, have extreme obesity, middle ear infection, bone weaknesses, osteoporosis, stomach illness, use a pacemaker, or have other medical conditions, it is advisable to consult a medical professional before using this vibration platform machine. I am not a medical professional, so do not consider this video your consultation. Now, with all of that said, if you're interested in the benefits of a vibration plate, let's get into it. So let's talk about this plate specifically and everything that you get with it. First of all, it is a big boy. So it comes in at 21 inches long, 12.6 inches deep, and 4.5 inches tall. And it weighs 17.4 pounds. So it's a big boy. You're going to want to find a place where you don't have to move it around a lot. And you can use it on carpet, or if you're using it on a hardwood floor, you can see that it comes with suction cups on the bottom to keep it stable. I should also mention that Feierdun sent me this vibration plate in exchange for my honest review, which is what you're getting right now. Let's look at the device, how you turn it on. There is an on-off switch on the top. So even if it's plugged in, you can power it off and you can detach the power cable. You do have to plug it in. As you can see, I do have an outlet nearby, but if I had to make a complaint, it would be that the cord is a little bit short. With that said, just plan to put it near an outlet. And so once you're ready to use it, you simply plug it in, turn it on. It's going to automatically power on, but typically what you're going to be using is this remote control. And this is going to be important because you want to be able to stand on the vibration plate while it's still and then turn it on with the remote control. So this remote control uses AAA batteries, which come with the plate. This is an infrared remote, which means you do have to point it at the screen. This is the IR sensor right here. So you're going to want to use this to turn it off and to turn it on. And then when you're ready to start the vibration, you're going to use this button right here, which makes sense to use when you're standing on top of it. So the speed buttons allow you to increase the vibration level from 1 to 99. I just went with default setting on here, but you also have this M button. This is a quick button if you want to just increase it to level 30, 60, and 90. I think the default is 10, which is where I have been leaving it. There is also this P for auto mode, and if I'm going to be totally honest, I don't know what it does, and when I read the instructions, I don't really understand it either, but I think you are able to create a program, something I'm not going to cover in this video. It also comes with 2 different resistance bands, and that is so that you can stand on it and do arm exercises at the same time. Now this part you're going to want to pay attention to because it does not tell you anywhere in the instruction book how to hook this to the machine, and it took me a good 5 minutes of searching to figure it out. On the bottom of the vibration plate, if you turn it upside down, you're going to see these 2 levers right here. So you're just going to slide them out. They were a little bit tight at first, and then you can just hook your resistance bands to each one. So now that we've got everything ready for a workout, let me show you some of the things that you can do with this vibration plate. So the first rule of watching someone demonstrate a vibration plate is that you don't laugh at the person demonstrating the vibration plate, because listen, there are going to be body parts that jiggle, all right? They're going to jiggle on me, they're going to jiggle on you. So I'm standing on the plate. This is why you want to have the remote. The plate is already on, and I'm going to go ahead and start the vibration and talk about the first exercise. Okay? This is it. This is the first exercise. It is simply standing. And what that is actually going to do is work your abs and work your quads and work your hamstrings just by standing, just by vibration. And if you want to start making it a little bit more intense, you can do a squat while it's vibrating, and that'll start working your calves as well. If you want to add a little more intensity, you can squat with your arms out. You can even squat like in a normal weightlifting squat position. I can feel that. It's been a while since I've been to the gym. And you can also add in the resistance bands. So you can do bicep curls. And you may think, what's vibration got to do with your bicep curls? Don't worry, I'm going to get to that. You can do lunges with the band. Even it out on the other side. By the way, you probably want to do more than 3 reps, but I don't want to make this video super long. You can also do just a single leg, not a lunge, but just a single leg for the vibration. Yes, there is something for all exercise levels. In fact, if you aren't very mobile, I got something for you too. If you want to just focus on your lower legs, you can simply sit on the ground and have it vibrate your muscles, because the vibrations alone are doing something. Finishing up the legs, we can do sit-ups. My head's in the Christmas tree, but that's okay. Just makes it feel more festive. And we can do a bridge. So lifting up and lift one leg up. And whatever you're doing, you want to keep your feet about shoulder width apart on the pad so they get even vibration. Now that we've done some lower body, or I've quickly shown you some lower body stuff, let me show you some upper body stuff. We're going to start easy and then get a little bit harder. You can start by simply placing your hands on the vibration plate about shoulder width apart. And what this is doing is working your upper arms and your shoulders. To make it a little more intense, you can stand and do this. It's actually a good hamstring stretch. Oh boy, this one's vibrating me a lot. And if you want to increase the skill level, you can do a plank this way, or you can do a plank this way. And they work different muscle groups. Ooh, that's shaking my booty. And since we worked our biceps, we can also work our triceps. Make sure that you have your hands, though, towards the middle of the plate. Otherwise, the plate will tilt towards you. So you're just going to go up and down. Oh my God, that's hard. And then finally, if you are someone that has mobility issues or isn't very physically fit or active and you just want to get started, or maybe you're just looking for relaxation, you can sit on the plate now. I'm sitting cross-legged. If you can, that's ideal because you get more of the vibration. But if that's too challenging, I've got something else for you. You can simply sit with your legs on the plate. Now, it's probably better if you're sitting in a normal chair so that your thighs are parallel to the ground, but for demonstration purposes, I'm just gonna sit right here. And listen, if all you can do is do this while you're watching TV, there is actually a benefit. That machine just shut off because I've reached 10 minutes. And that is the key target, 10 to 20 minutes a day on the vibration plate. Now, what will that do? Is this just pseudoscience? Well, no, it's not actually. In fact, the vibration plate technology was developed by scientists at NASA specifically to help with bone density for astronauts returning from space. But there's a lot of evidence that it helps with other things in your body. Before I get to that, let's talk about why 10 to 20 minutes helps and why just sitting with your feet on a plate can make a difference. So, have you ever seen the people that are really fidgety, like they're always doing something, like their leg is always going up and down like this, or they're just fiddling with something? Did you know that that alone can burn up to 350 extra calories a day? So if you're sitting vibrating your major muscle groups, you are actually activating your muscles, and by definition, you're going to be burning more calories than just at rest. You couple that with exercises, you're now increasing the intensity of the exercise, but there are more benefits than just exercise. I'm going to get my notes for this. So some people claim vibration plates can help you lose weight, burn fat, become more flexible, boost blood flow, decrease your post-exercise muscle soreness. This makes sense too. If you have any of those massage guns, I've actually reviewed one before that vibrates all of your muscles, right, to help loosen them up. Well, that's essentially what a vibration plate is doing. It can help increase your strength because it's firing off those muscles. It can lower levels of stress hormones like cortisol, and it can improve your balance and coordination. Now, the company doesn't make any of these claims. All they say is that it can help accelerate weight loss, it can help enhance your cardio health, it can help with muscle toning, it can help with pain relief and relaxation, it can improve lymphatic drainage, and it is built to last with a sturdy 330-pound weight capacity. They say that you can see benefits from a vibration plate anywhere from 6 weeks to 6 months. So if you're thinking about something that is an easy way to kind of boost your body as you're getting back into exercise, or you want to just see the overall benefits from improved blood flow, make sure you read the safety precautions. But take a look at vibration plates. This one from Feierdun I have found to be actually top quality and works great. And the plate itself is a little on the small side. So if you're a larger person, you might want to look for a larger plate. I'm 5'3", 100-something pounds, and this works well for me. And really impressed with the quality. So if you want to take a look at vibration plates, I'm going to put a link to this specific one down below, and let me know if you've had any experiences with vibration plates or if you've experienced any benefits. But most importantly, if you have made it this far, that means you kind of like me, or you at least kind of like this content. So go ahead and give it a like, give it a thumbs up, and more importantly, subscribe so that you can come back and we can go on this fitness and aging journey together. Thanks, guys, and I will see you next time.